Celebrating Europe Day, shaping tomorrow's European Union. The Conference on the Future of Europe's co-chairs handed over its final report, with 49 proposals containing more than 300 measures for a better EU.
We are once again at a defining moment of European integration, and no suggestion for change should be off limits. Whatever process is required in order for us to get there should be embraced. This is the moment to answer Europe's call. This is our time.
With events across the EU and here in Parliament, the conference was a year-long exercise in participatory democracy. At its centre, European citizens. They generated hundreds of ideas on climate change, migration and health, on rights, democracy and the EU's role in the world, areas brought sharply into focus by the war in Ukraine.
I want to give a very special message to our Ukrainian friends and families. The future of Europe is also your future. The future of our democracy is also the future of your democracy.
President von der Leyen has promised proposals based on the conference's conclusions in September. Other major changes are in the pipeline.
Il faudra réformer aussi nos textes, c'est évident. L'une des voies de cette réforme est la convocation d'une convention de révision des traités. C'est une proposition du Parlement européen et je l'approuve.
The conference was the first exercise of its kind in EU history. The hope is it won't be the last.
J'ai intégré la conférence à l'âge de 16 ans. Quand j'aurai 65 ans, en 2070, j'aimerais dire à mes petits-enfants que beaucoup de changements positifs en Europe sont nés de cet exercice unique en 2021.